How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about what to drink before bed to reduce belly fat. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. We first need to ask ourselves, why are we getting belly fat? It's great that we are trying to get rid of our bellies and improve our lives. That's awesome. And I commend all of you for watching this video. You all can do it. I believe in all of you. So why do we get the fat? The simple answer is from a consistent diet where you ate in a positive energy balance. Now that we know what's causing our belly fat, let's create a super drink that will allow us to lose it. We need to keep track of how much and what type of food or beverage we drink at a time. Researchers have recommended choosing nutrient-dense foods or beverages with fewer than 200 calories. The researchers also recommend having a single macronutrient before bed and not a mixed meal. What this means is if you have either protein or carbs or fats, now the best macronutrient is going to be protein. Our bodies store carbs and fat very easy. It's very hard for our bodies to store protein. So the shake that we are going to have at night is going to be a protein shake with less than 200 calories. Now for protein shakes, you guys can use regular whey protein or you could use casein protein. I will put a link in the description box if you guys are interested for some smoothie recipes. Again, these recipes are crazy good. You guys will like them. So here's the shake that I recommend. 1 scoop of casein protein, 1 serving of spinach, 1 lemon, 1 serving of strawberry. Total calories, 192 calories. You get the spinach, which is a powerhouse of a food, as well as lemon and strawberries. I highly recommend trying this out. Again, I will put a link in the description box to recipes that you can buy. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, please like the video and share it. Thanks again.